Hey guys, it's American Gun Chick. I'm at Thunder Gun Range in Conroe, Texas, and it's Gun Day Monday. So real quick guys, I wanted to give a big shout out to Act 1 Sport Hearing Protection. This is the American Gun Chick hearing protection of choice. I love this hearing protection. I recommend it to all my friends, and I've had a lot of people really close to me buy them, and they love them too. There's memory foam on the inside, so it's nice and soft, electronic, and yeah, I love this hearing protection, so you guys should check it out and support the guys that support me. But yeah, so in today's video, guys, I kind of wanted to show you something cool that I recently got from Cmmg. So they sent me this awesome 22 conversion kit. Let me show you right here. They also were kind enough to send me a couple mags, so it makes it really convenient, but that's pretty cool because it's the AR style mag, but then you got the little tiny 22 in there. This is my first time using a conversion kit, and when I originally went to install it, I went to install the conversion kit into my stag rifle, but unfortunately my stag rifle is a lefty, so it didn't work in my stag rifle, and I had to switch it out to my M&P Smith & Wesson rifle right here. I have this NC Star red dot right here, and I'm not going to use that because the battery's dead and I'm not a big fan of it. I kind of just grabbed this rifle and wanted to film this today, but I'm going to use this scope instead, which is just fine. So, you know, it's not my first choice of rifles. This was one of my very first rifles I ever bought, and, you know, it's okay. It gets the job done, but, you know, it's not my favorite setup. But so here's the original bolt that was in there, and I took it out and put the 22 conversion bolt in there, so you can see it right here. It's like a metal color. So this is a great way to get out there and run drills and practice with your AR, and it's cost effective, and you're not spending like $1,000 on ammo. So I think that's cool. Let's get into it. I'm just gonna practice shooting it a little bit and, you know, see how it runs, see how it goes. But real quick, I just want to give a big thank you to Cmmg for sending me not only the mags, the conversion kit, all that stuff. So I couldn't have made this video without them. So big shout out to them, and thank you. I'm excited to try this out.
To start off, I practiced raising my rifle from the low ready position so I could get used to acquiring this optic. It's magnified, and I am not that used to it. Then from the high ready position, once satisfied, I began working safety selector drills.
All right, so it's a lot of fun. I like obviously how, you know, I love shooting AR-15s and 223, but it does surprise you when you are expecting that recoil and you don't feel that recoil. You have to remind yourself that you are shooting a 22. So I definitely think that I need to keep practicing, probably some dry fire with my AR. I do dry fire with my pistol, but I definitely should incorporate more dry fire with my rifle. Because I'm a little bit slow on hitting that safety off as soon as I bring the gun up. So I definitely should practice on that and keep that up. So the optic I'm using is the crosshairs. I'm not using like a red dot or anything. So as soon as I look in there, I see nothing but target. So I wasn't really sure where in the square I was shooting, but my grouping's all in the same spot pretty much. So all right, now I'm going to transition to 2 targets and really focus on that safety selector. All right, so that was a fun drill. I was practicing on hitting that safety as soon as I would bring the gun up a lot faster, and two to that target. But yeah, it's a good drill. It's a fun drill. Let's go look at the targets. Shooting everything right here in this grouping, and then I have two right there. Because as soon as I saw the brown, I just pulled the trigger. So that's why those are low. And then my other target most of my grouping is about right here, and then I had one stray out of the A box over here. So we just sighted this in, so but we want to bring our hits up a little bit higher. It could be me, it's a little bit off, but we'll see.
Let's bring in the steel.
All right, so now we're gonna have a little bit more fun with it. I'm gonna shoot paper, then steel. I'm gonna do 2 to the paper, 2 to the paper, 2 to the steel. So I got 3 targets, and I'm transitioning through all the targets. And a big shout out to shootsteel.com for sending us the steel. We love steel, so let's do it. All right. It's like so weird. Like I have to remind myself, like, hey, don't forget to move your feet. Like with the pistol, it's just second nature. Like I just move my feet when I get a click and a bang, tap rack. When you get your rifle, you're almost like, it dumbs you down a little bit, because I don't train as much with my rifle as I do with my pistol. So definitely got to keep training, and that's how you keep it, or else you lose it, All right, I got this drill from Rich from Full Spectrum Warrior. So I'm just gonna go around the barrels and shoot the steel, so check it out. So that one's a lot of fun. That one, I'm just kind of working on movement and going between the barrels and going gun up and gun down and presenting the gun and flipping the safety. That one, I think it challenges you a little bit more, and that was a lot of fun. Yeah, there's so many different drills you can run using this and burn through all that 22 ammo, and it's really not gonna hurt you on ammo. So yeah, that's a lot of fun. All right, practice makes perfect. Just got to keep practicing over and over again. I'm going to come out here a lot more and just keep working on practicing these drills, trying some different new drills and stuff like that. So, but now that I found a convenient way and cost-effective way for these 22 rounds, be out here all the time.
Shout out to Thunder Gun Range in Conroe, Texas, home of me, American Gun Chick.
All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. There will probably be an extended version of my Patreon, patreon.com/AmericanGunChick. So go check that out. Also, you guys should get yourself one of these conversion kits. Check it out. Go to their website. I'll link it down below. Also, check out Act 1 Sport Hearing Protection. Best hearing protection on the market. I can hear flawlessly right now. And yeah, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And thank you guys for supporting the people that support me. And stay tuned for the next Gun Day Monday.
Stop waiting. Now go spoil yourself.